In this video, I will show you how to add descriptions under collection page titles in Shopify's Dawn theme. First, we'll log into Shopify admin account and then go to Products, Collections, and then you want to add descriptions to every single collection in your store. As you can see, I have a few collections and I've just added descriptions to each and one of them. So once that's done, go to Online Store and then look for Dawn theme. In my case, is the latest version, 11.0, and then click on Customize. Then once the editor loads, at the very top, select Collections and then click on Default Collection. Then on the left, click on Collection Banner, and then on the right, you'll have an option to show collection descriptions. You want to set a check mark right here and then select Save. Then allow a few minutes for the changes to update, and then go to your site. And then just let's refresh one of the collections. As you can see, here's the description. As well as check the other ones. Yep, they're right here. And of course, for the all collection too. So this is all for now. I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.